This is the exciting stuff. It's working out what innovation that your frontline team are doing today. How do you identify those things that are scalable, safe? What do you do in terms of putting a structure in place to harness that? And what do you consider when it comes to what we like to call the give and get for employees and employers? If organisations seek to take all of that value and efficiency, there is a disincentive for frontline workers to start to innovate. So there's a really exciting opportunity here where you're getting innovation from the ground up, which is something most of us as leaders have always dreamed of when it comes to transformation projects.
There needs to be an enterprise-wide strategy to make sure that everybody can make use of the same tools in the same way.